everyone. So a lot of you have been asking about my singer machine, and today I'll answer all your questions. So I'm at the Singer AMEDO Center. Cindy of Francisca.
Yes.
It's called AMEDO Center, and I'll give you all the details. So this is a Singer embroidery.
Yeah.
Tueleze.
Singer embroidery model 984. It usually
Module
model 984.
Uh-huh.
It makes straight stitches,
Uh-huh.
decorations, tundu button holes. It's both manual and electrical. The head alone is 802. With the small table, we usually sell it.
The head, bei ya kichwa ni how much?
834, 802, 802. When it is on a small table,
that is the bay for
the head alone.
The head alone.
Yeah. When it is on a small table, we usually sell it at 44, 44, 822.
44, 822 on a small table.
Yeah, on medium table, 46, 800.
Medium table, 46, 800.
On big table, 50, 400.
50, 400 on big table.
Yes.
So I'll show you all the tables. Yes. So those are the prices, and tuonyeshe venye nashona. Mimi nataka kuona.
Let's see how it works. When you are making the straight stitches, if you want to make zigzag, change the patterns, you change. If you want to go reverse,
Oh, inashona. Oh my God. Wow.
It is very simple.
Oh. Okay. By the way, we forgot to mention about the power and everything. Power. So the machine has a motor, an inbuilt motor. Sindio? Iko inbuilt the motor. So the machine has an inbuilt motor, and this is the motor here. This, and then this is the foot control, and then you just connect it here. You just remove and connect it here. And so this is the motor. You know, like the other machines, you are used to the motor being behind. This one, when you buy a motor, it's put here. And this machine can be manual, Ama?
Yes, you can both manual and electrical if you collect with the table.
Oh, the machine is both manual and it is electrical. And you can also, if you get it with a manual table,
Robert.
If you get it with a manual table, it works. If you get it with any table you want, if you want to use it manually, get a manual table. And that is where she spoke and said the small table. I think she was speaking about the manual table. And this is the pedal. This is where you press this with your foot, of course. So that is machine number 1. Let's go to machine number 2. Tueleze tu bei.
Sasa hii nayo ni machine industrial commercial, iko high speed,
the motor, hiyo ni motor ya chini,
iko electrical, iko very fast, iko durable, it
actually
straight stitches only.
Actually, this is what I have.
Yes.
And I bought mine in 2016 ama
na iko intact vile iko.
Wacha nikwambie. This is the best machine. Hata I'll show you on my videos.
Yes.
Hii ndio machine natumianga, hata sitakangi fundi ati ya
yes, atumie.
This is mine.
Hakuna mtu ununua hii machine anaichukia.
And the good thing is, unaona hiyo time yako, the last time I niliita fundi akaifanya service ilikuwa 2018.
Alafu
na mpaka sasa hivi sijafanya service. Najua ni vibaya but hainisumbui hata.
Hii machine wenye tushawauzia, they don't have complaints.
Na sasa inatoka how much?
Iko 84,500.
84,500 plus the table and everything.
Complete when it is like that.
Complete with the nini, okay. Hey, mi nilibai I think ikiwa 70 something.
Yeah.
75 or 76.
Yes.
Something of the
This one is just the simplest machine.
Manual.
Manual.
But pia mtu anaweza weka motor akitaka.
Yeah, it can be manual or electrical if you.
This one has the big table.
The big table.
So this is the big table. Hii meza ni how much?
The table alone is 15,560.
15,560.
The table.
This one you told me it's 15. Hii ndio meza kubwa. Umeniambia ni how much?
Hii ndio meza kubwa.
How much? 15,500. 15,560. Nikuulize, kichwa peke yake ni how much?
94.45. 9,445.
94.45 kichwa peke yake.
Kichwa peke yake.
Na ikiwa na hii meza ndogo ikiwa peke yake ni how much?
90.20.
90.20.
Yes, 9,020 shillings.
Ikiwa complete hivi ni how much?
18,465.
18,465.
Yes.
Ikiwa na meza ndogo, meza kubwa
25,012.
25,012.
Yes.
Wow, but hiyo meza kubwa nimeona ni strong kushinda hii. This one is small, but this one I don't know. On big table iko faster than.
Yes.
When it is on big table it is faster than on a small table.
Yes.
Sawa sawa.
Yeah.
So hii umesema ni 80? Hii ni 84?
84,500.
84,500. And by the way, if you want any Singer spare parts, ziko hapa zote. If you want any Singer spare parts, ziko hapa zote. In fact, me I want a bobbin and a bobbin case. Hizi ndio spare parts zote. Wakitaka spare parts zote ziko huku, si ndio?
Spare parts.
Haya, this is the overlock. Ni how many threads? 5 threads.
5 threads.
Uko na kapisi kenye umeshona? Tuone venye kanaka.
2 overlocks.
You have 2
domestic and industrial.
Industrial.
The domestic one, when it is head only, we sell it at 12,580.
12,000.
The head alone.
Head alone.
Yeah.
Now how many threads?
3 threads.
3 threads.
Yes.
This one is the industrial.
And when it is with the table, we call both manual and electrical.
We call both manual and electrical.
24,500.
24,500
when it is with the table.
Okay.
Then the industrial one, the head alone is 74,000.
74,500.
Complete with the table.
The white big table.
Yes. It can be white ama brown.
Because me I have brown.
109,000. 109,200.
109,200.
Yes.
So it's 109.
Yes. 109,000.
Oh, why? 109,000.
Yes.
Complete.
When it is like that one.
Okay, sawa
Yes.
sawa.
Yeah.
Okay. Alafu it has 5 threads.
Yes.
Hizi ndo zenye zinatumiwangu huko EPZ.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Singer model 20U.
Model 20U.
Yes.
And it's embroidery.
It's embroidery. It's for commercial.
It's like that one, the one I showed you first.
Yes.
So
it
this one,
straight
that
stitch,
one was
zigzag and buttonhole.
That one was the small motor. It can be used manually.
Yeah, this uses.
But this one is industrial.
Clash. This uses big motor like that.
Oh, like the big machine.
Yes.
And how much is this?
114,975.
Repeat.
114,975.
114,975. 975.
Yes.
It's embroidery, but now with an industrial.
It's multi-purpose.
It's
it
industrial.
Is commercial. Yeah.
So it comes complete with the table and everything.
Yes,
Hiyo bei
complete
ni ya
like
kila
that one.
kitu.
With the motor, with the table and the stand.
Oh, it comes
With
complete with the table and it's a 20U
Single
embroidery.
model 20U
Embroidery.
comes with it's the head, table, motor, stand,
Everything.
everything.
Ah.
Yes.
So inashona kila kitu.
Inashona kila ni kama tu ile.
Kama ile yenye
Yeah.
ulikuwa umenionyesha.
Yeah. Ile ni domestic, hii ni commercial.
Ile ni domestic, this one is commercial.
Yeah.
He. Ndio imetoka hizo pesa zote. I think this is the most expensive mko nayo. It's the most expensive.
Yeah.
Ah.
Iko ingine ya 580 but hiyo ni pattern moja.
So,
Hiyo ni tunaita tunaita
steam
ESP2.
ESP2.
Model yake ni hii, hata ndio hiyo imeandikwa pale. Unaona?
Oh.
Singer ESP2 is a steam press.
Singer ESP2. A steam press. Unaona iko digital. We.
Sasa you only press like this. And then uweke nguo yako na you just if you want the steam you put water here.
Oh, you put water
here. Then you want the steam to come out. You connect to the
power.
Then you
press
here. The steam will come in this.
Oh, so unaweka nguo hapa.
Yeah.
Oh, ndo unafinya.
Na utatumia nguo.
Oh, nguo inakuwa straight.
Itajipress, yes.
We, na hii ni pesa ngapi?
48,000 and 48 shillings.
48,000 and 48
shillings cash. Yes.
Na hii ya chini ni 59 ni nini?
Hii ni ya mwenye analipa na 3 months.
If you're paying with the installments, this is the price.
But now hii inapewa mwenye kama kampuni, kama kama mtu ako na business biashara. But if you're paying cash it's 48.
Oh. Na inatumia nguo zote zinapigwa pasi.
Hata koti.
Na by the way naona mko na pasi. Ni zile ni poa. Najua si watu wa nguo tunatesekanga sana na pasi.
Hebu iangalie. Na hii pia ni ya steam.
Hii ni how much?
Hii ni 2,000.
2,000?
Yes.
Ile ingine kadogo.
Ile ni 1,200.
That one. 1,200. 1,200.
Hii unaweka maji here. Then steam inatokea huko.
Na by the way Singa, mimi nadhanianga ni mashini peke yake. Mnauzanga hadi makuka.
Wewe unasema nini kuka hata zile kubwa? Unaona hii? Ile unaweka cabinet hiyo mtungi ndani na ionekane. Yes.
Mimi nasemanga ni mashini peke yake. Naona hadi mko na kuka, fridge. But mimi kitu yenye imenileta huku ni
babu generator.
Si ndio naona hebu nionyeshe.
Unasema nini wewe?
Na ndio hiyo pasi, hiyo steam, hiyo yenye umeniambia inaitwa ESP2.
Yes, mondeo yake sasa ni ESP2.
Nakwambia acha nionyeshe chenye ilinileta mashini. So, okay sawa. So mtu akitaka kukuja Singa, mko located wapi?
We are located along Kenyan Road. Near roundabout ya Globe Cinema. There is a Shell opposite.
Opposite Shell.
We are just opposite the Shell. Yeah.
Na sasa wakikuja huku watafute nani? Francisca.
Yeah.
Mkuje mtafute Francisca, atawaelezea vizuri na atawapea bei mzuri. Francisca, alafu wako Kenyan Road, it's called AMEDO Center, si ndio?
Yeah,
AMEDO Center
Singa, yeah.
Utaona kibao pale. I think I'll take a photo huko nje. Alafu nitawaonyesha. It's just sijui kama wanaweza ona Shell petrol station yenye anaongea ni hii. I don't know if they can. Hiyo ndo Shell. Just opposite Shell. And by the way, I forgot something. When you're buying this, make sure uongezewe hizi bobbin, zinaitangwa bobbin. Buy extra bobbins
na bobbin case.
Because I came to realize hii mashini ingiangi bobbin ya mashini yoyote.
Yes, kila
it has to be singa. So when you come they'll give you around 5. Mnapeananga 5 mtu akinunua 4. So ukikuja ongeza
extra, lazima hii case iko 420.
Oh, hii case ni 420. Oh,
hii ndio engine ya machine.
The bobbin case is 420, hii ni 430. Yeah. Hii ni 30 bob.
Yeah, 30 bob.
Hii ni ndo 420.
Yeah.
Hey, muongezee utu mnunue twingi juu twini hatutoshi. Muongezee twingi. Na pia if you want spare parts za machine singa, wako nazo zote ziko huku. The scissors. Na by the way singa mnakuanga na vitu legit. Mashini yangu hizo miaka zote na ijai nisumbua.
Ndio maana unaonanga watu hawataki mchezo.
By the way, you'd rather spend more and have something good and quality than spend less na kitu itakusumbua. Ile overlock nakwambia nilinunua. Eri tu ningetoa hiyo one something. Chukue overlock mzuri. Hiyo ingine imenisumbua, but it is well. You know, we learn from mistakes. So wakuja waulizie Francisca. When you come here, ask for Francisca Muikali. Muulizie Francisca Muikali. By the way, I'll put Francisca's number down the description box. If you come here, please ask for Francisca Muikali. She's a very good person. She'll explain to you and direct you on what you need according to maybe if you're a student or if it's a business or if it's an institution. Please come and ask for Francisca Muikali. By the way, call Francisca and ask any details you need. You can also WhatsApp her, you can text her, she can send you photos on WhatsApp. Contact her. So I hope this video was helpful and have yourselves a good time. Thank you.